Welcome back to our channel. Question number 1e. Same theory. We take a equals 1 also. The difference function of g. So the same step. First of all, find g dash. Okay, next cosine x minus sine x. Okay, is g dash. Okay, so substitute to the equation is f equals exponential integration of g dash. Okay, cosine x minus sine x. Denominator should have some cancellation, I hope. So is g dash is cosine x minus sine x, and then minus gx. Okay, minus sine x minus cosine x. Good. The cosine x cancel out, and the sine x become negative sine x. Okay, so it becomes exponential cosine x over 2 sine x minus, and then minus plus half. Okay, let me check, make sure we don't did it wrong. Okay, the whole thing. Okay, bracket. Okay, and think about what is the differentiation. First one, okay, it should be a natural log sine. Yeah, it is half natural log sine x. Rest is just x over 2, and we need a constant e. Okay, and then yes, okay, what we need to do is, what is this thing? Okay, take out all the thing. Okay, just exponential log sine, right? We become sine, so it is sine x negative half index, and then exponential x over 2, and then another constant. We call it f. Okay, exponential e is f. Okay, positive constant. And then we okay, square root. Square root. Okay, so take out the square root. Good, we got it. We have the ex here. Yes, and then 1 over yeah, so it is f square over sine x. Good. So f is a positive constant here because exponential positive constant. So let me check. Okay, so yeah, so x is f square, a positive constant f square over sine x. Okay, you can say f here. It's okay, just the thing. Let me check again. Yes, that's it. That's our result for part E. We did a good job, okay, because we are good. See you for next part.